In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book four-seater car in Skyscanner. By the end, you'll know exactly how to search, filter for a small four-seater, compare deals, and complete your booking smoothly. First, open the Skyscanner website and head straight to the cars section. This switches you from flights or hotels to car hire, so all the search tools you need are front and center. In the search box, type your pickup location. You can enter a city, a downtown spot, or an airport. Pick the location that's most convenient for your trip. Next, choose your pickup date and pickup time. Be realistic here. Set the time to when you'll actually arrive so you're not waiting around or risking a late collection. Then set your drop-off date and drop-off time to match your travel plans. If you're returning to a different location, look for that option in the search box. Otherwise, keeping it the same place is simplest. Click search and Skyscanner will show you available cars and prices. At the top of the results, filter for small cars. This is where you'll typically find four-seater vehicles, perfect for solo travelers, couples, or small groups with light luggage. If you want to narrow things further, you can adjust filters like fuel policy, mileage, or supplier rating. When you see a car you like, click Show Deals to compare prices from different partners. Then select the offer that balances cost, mileage, fuel policy, and cancellation terms the way you want and click Select. You'll be taken to the partners page to continue. That's normal. Skyscanner compares and the partner handles the booking. On the partner page, click View Deal and then continue to move into the booking flow. You'll be offered extras like additional drivers, child seats, GPS, or cross-border coverage. Add what you need and then choose Continue to Book. You'll now see protection options. You can proceed with full protection for extra peace of mind against damage and excess costs, or continue without it if your own coverage already applies. Read the summary so you understand what's included. Enter the main driver's details exactly as they appear on the driver's license. Adding your flight number is helpful for airport pickups, as suppliers can track delays. Fill in your billing address so payment matches your card details, then choose how you'd like to pay. Before you finalize, review the key terms: deposit amount, fuel policy, mileage limits, pickup requirements, and what ID and credit card you'll need at the counter. When everything looks good, click Book Now. That's it. You've secured a four-seater car through Skyscanner with the best available deal for your dates and needs. Safe travels!